Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your most requested charms, love, and work forecast for the year 2022. Yes, friends, for Virgos, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Virgo, this reading is for you. If you know a Virgo, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website and you can buy your own personal in-depth 2022 reading, and to buy that you can visit our website, friends. And also, this is a timeless reading. It is for the whole year. You can watch it anytime, friends, again and again. And if you save it, it will be even better, so you don't miss out on the tips along the way of the year. So Virgos, let us see how the year will be for you. Let us see that we are going to cover your love, work, and then the charms for you, okay? So let's see, Virgos, the year 2022 for Virgos. What is the theme of the year 2022 for Virgos? Theme of the year 2022 for Virgos. Theme of the year 2022 for Virgos. Theme of the year 2022 for Virgos. All right, wow. So you have the Queen of Pentacles. So I do feel this is a year of manifestations. This is your year of coming into power. You know, you are definitely going to come in a position of power, position of money, position of richness. This is a great year. I feel especially regarding to money and security. Well, just a second, friends. I'm about to, oops, yeah. Wow, I think something will come suddenly into your life. This money, this fame, just like the cards were about to fall down. So something was about to come your way in the year 2022. It could be money, it could be security and finances. I do feel you will be very successful, friends, in the year 2022. And let's see. The Emperor, yes, the position of power is coming for you, friends. Leadership roles are coming for you. Some of you could be actually getting a PhD, or going back to colleges, getting a degree, a certificate, or also you could be getting an award this year. So this year, career wise, it is excellent for you, Virgos. In love also, I see you will be attracting a leader towards yourself, someone who is perfect for you, a match made in heaven. Queen and the Emperor, the Queen of Pentacles and the Emperor are perfect for each other. They understand each other. They are perfect partners. So definitely you are attracting a very balanced relationship, or if you are married, your relationships will be getting more sexy and more steamy. But this is the year of rewards. This is the year of financial success. This is the year of you becoming at peace with yourself, falling you will be falling in love with yourself, respecting yourself, and this will attract a lot of fame for you, friends. A lot of fame, a lot of success. The Nine of Wands. I do feel this will be an extremely busy year for you, friends. Virgos, you will be very, very busy throughout the year. So, if things are slow right now, make sure to enjoy it, because you are really, really busy and you're working very hard in this year, friends. You are very close to achieving an important goal, an important dream in the year 2022. And if you are taking any actions right now, please do not give up, because you are very close, Virgos, in on achieving a life, a lifelong dream. For some of you it is marriage, for others of you it is a home. You are very close to buying a home in the year 2022. Some of you are also you may be getting properties, inheritances this year. So you are working hard. This will be, I will not say you will not be working hard. Yes, you will be working hard, Virgos, because that's what you like, and that's also in the cards. But this year your hard work will be favorite. Your hard work will favor, or will be, quickly bring you luck. So it is, earlier it was you were working hard but luck was not with you. This year luck is with you, side by side. So let's see your love life. Very nice cards already, Virgos. So love life for Virgos, the first half of the year. Love life for Virgos, the first half of the year. Love life for Virgos, the first half of the year. All right. So Virgos, let's see your love life at the first. We'll do the love life first half of the year, the mid of the year, and the second, and the later the end of the year. Okay. So the first half of the year is very interesting. I feel your love life is a very big thing, friends, in the year 2022 because you have a lot of major arcanas for your love life, Virgos. So it's a big theme what is happening in your love life. So let us start from the first half of the year. The first half of the year you could be dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, someone beautiful, someone very passionate, someone very outgoing and very seductive. I also feel you could be dealing with someone very honest, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, someone who is very logical, very communicative. So you could be dealing with two people in the first half of the year. And yes, there is competition. If you are single, people are dying to get you. They want you, they want you, they want you. And you are like, what? Why are you all after me? So, Virgos, a lot of people want you in the first half of the year. Another thing is, your love life could go from hot and cold in the first half of the year. Maybe your person is behaving like confusingly in the first half, like they give you first, they feel very passionate about you, then on other days they are not passionate. So there is this hot and cold energy between you and your person in the first half of the year, Virgos. Another thing I'm feeling is your head and mind could be divided in the first half of the year. Your heart would say, let's take a risk, let's fall in love. And your mind would say, no, I don't want to get hurt. So you have definitely options and choices and a lot of competition in the first half of the year. But let's see the second half because that's when things start to get exciting for you. And look at that, the moon. So the second half of the year, Virgos, for you is exciting. It's romantic. It's full of candlelight dinners, dreams, all night conversations, and a soulmate, Six of Cup. A soulmate is coming for you, friends. It could be a past lover returning back. It could be a new lover coming towards you. It could be some of you falling in love again with your husband or wife. So there is definitely love in the air in the second half or mid of the year. And Ace of Cups, yes, there are proposals coming your way. There is a new start, a new dawn in your love life. Some of you could be falling in love, meeting the partner of your dreams, meeting the soulmate, meeting the love of your life, reuniting with your twin flame. So there is a lot of emotions, a lot of emotions in the mid of the year. It's exciting, it's amazing. The star, yes, your wishes are going to come true, Virgo. So do not give up on love. Your wishes are going to come true in 2022. Whatever you want in love, it will happen. For some of you, it could also be if you are married. The mid half of the half the the mid of the year is the time when you can expect pregnancy or childbirth also. Three of Cups, a celebration. Yes, there will be lots of things to celebrate in the mid of the year. Some of you could be actually meeting your soulmate through a party or through a wedding. If you are single, I definitely see a chance of a wedding or a wedding proposal coming your way in the mid of the year. Now let's see the final half of the year, the end of the year. Wow, you have three major arcanas. What's going on, Virgos? The High Priestess, the Strength, and the Chariot. Oh my God, you are definitely will be very, very telepathic with your person, with your partner, with your soulmate at the end of the year. I feel you will be so much in tune with your partner. It will be amazing. You guys are next, it's the Generation Z, like the new kids, they are the Z generation. You are on a different level in your relationships, Virgos. In the end of the year, you are very intuitive, they are very intuitive, you can hear each other's thought. Strength, your relationships are super strong, and that will be becoming very clear to you at the end of the year. You will know who is standing with you, who wanna give up. So your relationships are absolutely strong and very, very deep, and that is what you will realize in the end of the year. The Chariot, things will be moving very, very quickly. And I do feel some of you could be attracting an opposite partner, but you are perfect for each other. Some of you could be finding traveling with your lover, shifting or moving in with them, getting married, settling down. You could be leaving jobs or cities or countries also for your partner, or they could be doing this for you. So OMG, Virgos, wedding bells and celebrations. My God, Virgos, I love this reading for you. Let's see some advice. Then we're gonna look at your work, career, and your charms. Don't forget the charms. Advice for Virgos. All right. So harmony. Your cards keep jumping out. Love. Love is very important. Focus on heart, mind, and body and soul. I feel, someone is coming for you where you will love to look into their eyes, and that's the most beautiful thing, Virgo. Someone is coming who wants to look into your eyes and feel like it's the most, amazing place. It's heaven. And positive movement forward. Yes, your love life is picking up. You are on the right path. Don't doubt that. Choose wisely. Yes, you will have options in your love life. And it is up to you what you want to choose, Virgos, but I hope you choose love. Power. Yes, your relationships will be, you are attracting very powerful people, friends. In the year 2022, there is a lot of powerful relationships, so expect some power dynamics like drama, power drama, ego dramas, ego trips. But that's why you will have a choice in love. You have choices in love, Virgos, because there are certain people who are not right and there are certain people who are perfect for you. So let's see your work and career, Virgos. Oh, the devil. Oh my God, Virgos, what is going on? You are getting all the major arcanas, the emperor, the death, the devil. Oh my God. This is too much. Oh my God, again. Oh my God, OMG. The world. Let's clarify the devil. Let's clarify the devil. Knight of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands. All right. So not just in love, but you will also be getting some important collaborations in your work. So teamwork will be very important, Virgos. Also, you could be getting some new projects. You could be getting some new collaborations, new ideas. A lot of support is coming your way. For some of you, love will be found at your workplace or where you study. So good luck with that. I also feel that yes, if you are a student, you will have a lot of support from your family, from your friends, or your teachers. So that's amazing. The devil. You are a workaholic, friends. I do feel, Virgos, you are very obsessed about success this year. You want success and you want your money, and you will go to any limits for that. And I mean it. This is like you can do anything to get more money this year, because I don't know why you're a little obsessive about your work and career, and about money also. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be important for you. I also feel that this is the year when this is the year when certain times things, I feel like things will be moving very quickly in your work and career, but you should at least make it a little slow, because things are too fast in your year, and that will not be a good. So take time to slow down in this year, friends, because things I feel are too fast and it will tire you out. And absolutely the Ten of Wands. Some of you will actually be going through a lot of workload. You may actually be handling a lot of responsibilities in the year 2022. Some of you could be studying, giving exams also. I do feel, Virgos, this is for somebody specific. Some of you may actually quit your jobs and do something different. Start a business, maybe start maybe an NGO, planting some food, some organic farms or something. Maybe some of you will start traveling, vlogging, going on social media, teaching. But whatever you will be quitting, whatever you will start, you will put in a lot of effort. You will put in a lot of effort. It will tire you out, friends. For some of you, your workload will be so high in the year 2022, like you could be doctors, you could be teachers, or you could be in administration. So you may be so overworked that you may decide to quit your job, because you are like, why am I doing this? Why do I need to be so busy? So make sure you take care of your health in the year 2022. And the world, yes, some of you could be actually moving to another city or country. Congratulations. I do see you could be getting a job or a certificate course in another city or country. Yes, that's going to happen. Two of Cups, a lot of support is coming your way, friends. A lot of support. Let us see your advice and then we're gonna see the charms. Advice for our beautiful Virgos. Advice for Virgos. Oh my god, the card just. Self acceptance. Yes, it is time to accept yourself, Virgos. You are perfect, you are beautiful, and you are doing extremely well. You will be proud of yourself. If you could see your future from where I am seeing, you will be proud of yourself. So be proud of yourself now. Opportunity to change. Yes, I do feel big opportunities are coming your way, Virgos, to change your life, to manifest. I also see a second chance is coming towards you for something that you lost. Spiritual growth. Yes, you are growing spiritually. That's exactly what I felt here. You are growing spiritually, Virgos. Congratulations. Let us see your charms now for the year 2022 for Virgos. Let's see. Oh my god. I hope you noticed there is a heart in what is this? In M. So it, oh sorry friends. Yeah, there is a heart there in the letter M. So you could be, that M could be your person's name or it could be about marriage. KLM, isn't it a bike? KLM, some of you could be going after buying this bike. KLM, I feel it's a bike. I'm not into bikes. I have no idea, but I think there is a bike. And I think you might be buying it, or somebody you know is buying it. Hey, yeah, your person's name could be Hey, Hay, Heli or something, and KLM. That those HAYKLM, those could be the initials of your person. Number 55, 555 is your. 5 is also the number of change. So yeah, things are changing. Passion, you could be very passionate. This is a year of finding your passion, going after it, and changing your life. Health, yes, I do feel, friends, you need to focus a little bit on your health, because not because your health will be bad, no, but you are busy, friends. You're really busy and you don't have time to think or prioritize your health. So please make sure to take care of your health. The pink hat, yes, you will fall in love with yourself, you will be accepting yourself, and that's when your luck changes. This is the bead of the moon bead, changes in your emotions. I do feel this is an emotional year for you, friends, in the way like your emotions will shift. One day you feel something, another day you feel something else. Heart, loving heart, yes. A true relationship is coming for you, true love. The flower, I do see this is a recognition. Flower is about recognition, award, a leadership role. Iron, blocks lifted, wrinkles are lifted from your life. Ace of Cups, yes, some of you definitely falling in love, getting married. 10 of Wands, this is the end of your difficulties and a start of a new life. Knight of Cups, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a proposal is coming, a soulmate, yes, a soulmate relationship is important. And if you could not believe this reading, friends, look at that. I don't think so it has ever happened. Oh my god, you have both the horses together. So you are going to find someone who is exactly like you. Oh my god, Virgos, this is beautiful. So this is amazing. Wow. And roads, where are we going? We don't need roads. Yeah, some of you could be buying a vehicle. Some of you could be going to a traveling job this year. Some of you could be buying a bike, or maybe a horse or something. I don't know. Travel is important. Maybe you are traveling on a cruise, or for job you are traveling. But this is the year of love. This is the year of luck for you, Virgos. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.